Here are 11 important HTML tags that are commonly used. H1 to H6 tags. These tags are used to define headings in an HTML document. The number represents the level of importance, with H1 tag being the most important and H6 tag being the least important. P tag. This tag is used to define paragraphs in an HTML document. A tag. This tag is used to create links to other web pages or files. IMG tag. This tag is used to insert images into an HTML document. UL and LI tags. These tags are used to create unordered lists, with UL tag indicating the beginning of the list and LI tag indicating each item in the list. OL and LI tags. These tags are used to create ordered lists, with OL tag indicating the beginning of the list and LI tag indicating each item in the list. DIV tag. This tag is used to group and organize HTML elements. Span tag. This tag is used to apply styles and other attributes to a specific section of text. Form tag. This tag is used to create a form on a web page, which allows users to input data. Input tag. This tag is used to create different types of input fields in a form, such as text boxes, radio buttons, and checkboxes. Table, TR, TH, and TD tags. These tags are used to create tables in an HTML document. Table tag indicates the beginning of the table, TR tag indicates each row, TH tag indicates table headers, and TD tag indicates table cells. These are just a few of the many HTML tags available, but they are some of the most commonly used and important ones.